What's going on, traders? It's G Got Options with Chosen Trading. Let's break down another winning setup. Before I ever enter a trade, I always start on the higher time frames. Today, I started on the 1 hour chart to identify the overall trend. Price was respecting the ascending trend line, so my bias remained bullish on SPX. That doesn't mean I buy immediately. It just tells me I'm looking for opportunities to go long instead of trying to fight the trend. From there, I drop down to the 5-minute chart to wait for confirmation. Patience is one of the biggest edges in trading. Instead of chasing price, I waited for the market to come into one of my key levels. That level was around 7,400. As price pulled back, I noticed buyers stepping in. We had bullish candles, very little rejection, and price continued to hold that support instead of breaking below it. That's exactly what I wanted to see before risking any money. Once price reclaimed and held above 7,400, that was my signal to enter the trade. At that point, I already knew where I was wrong. If buyers couldn't hold that level, I would have gotten out and moved on. Every trade should have an invalidation point before you even think about profits. As the trade started moving in my favor, I didn't get emotional. I let the market do the work. We scaled out into strength around 74.14 and left a small runner that pushed towards 74.18. One thing I want you to take away from this trade is that the money wasn't made because I predicted the future making 300%, 40% with a total of $1,200 today. The money was made because I made a plan before I entered. I waited for confirmation, and I managed the trade instead of letting the trade manage me. That's why I always say the higher time frame gives you the direction and the lower time frame gives you the execution. If this breakdown brought you any value and you want to learn how we identify these setups before they happen, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow G Got Options and Chosen Trading. Join the community. I'll catch you in the next trade recap. As always, stay patient, stay disciplined, and let the market come to you. Chosen.